Our student Shubham got All India Open Category 6th rank in today's JEE Advanced results. So the secret behind his success is from day one. We are assuming that he is going to get a rank within top 3 itself. The reason for it is he's a student who got selection in the Olympiads. In addition to that, the way in which he used to work with the problems, definitely either any teacher used to say that he is going to get the rank. But the major secret for the success of anyone in the JEE Advanced examination is, in addition to the teaching part, the working environment to the student is a very important aspect. Like if we can provide more time to the student, then definitely he is going to get excellent results. That's what we could able to prove within a short span of these 3-4 years. So anywhere, just if you want to make a student to get JEE Advanced the results, then definitely we should see in such a way that by giving proper basic concepts to the student, if we allow them to work with a different type of environments and with a different type of problems, and if we expose them for the different type of questions, I think definitely any student, even at above average level, can definitely crack the IIT examination with confidence. That's what we strongly feel. And in addition to this, Shubham, even other ranks also, if you try to see, we have a continuous flow of the ranks that clearly says that the students, if they have the constant working environment, and with the teacher assistance for it, definitely any student, even above average level, can crack this JEE Advanced level examination. In web counseling, before starting to apply for the counseling, any student need to do some homework, like what are the branches and what are the colleges. These two are the aspects which he need to work for some time. Because like some of the students are more interested towards a branch and some of the students are more interested towards the college. Whatever may be the orientation that they want to have, first of all, if they can put it on paper, the continuous order, because they have the possibility of giving the web options more than 100. So that's why just if they can have the possibilities of all the things on paper first, then if they start applying on it, then that will give a better mileage. And more than that, every student has to be careful with respect to the middlemen, because what's happening nowadays is some of the people, particularly regarding the private colleges, by taking the bribes from the different college managements, these agents are middlemen. They are trying to influence the children to apply for some other colleges which are not actually in the top 10 or top 20 or top 30, or not having the proper facilities. So that's why in that aspect, both the student as well as parent has to be very careful. Like their password should not be shared with anybody else, because there are instances like last year or before year that because of that sharing of the password, some of the options which the student have opted and finally they landed in getting the seat, they have been changed. So such type of problems will never arise if the student and parent, if they try to keep their passwords intact, or the password sharing is always dangerous. And while opting for the branches and as well as the college also, they have to be very careful. Like the major question in front of any student is it advisable to go for the priority of the college or priority of the branch in engineering sector? So in our opinion, first of all, the priority has to be given to the college. In our opinion, priority has to be given to the college first, because a student got a seat in IIT and NIT and a government engineering college. Generally, a student will prefer to join in IIT. That is the priority of the college. Similarly, even in a state government boards also, we have the priority of the colleges which have been worked by AICTE last year and before year. Based on it only, the fee structure also has been defined. So, if they can see that particular part, they can clearly define exactly which college is better. Based on that, college options can be taken. So, after the college option, I think it's better student can have the branch option. Of course, even in branch option also, what I suggest to the children is like these 4 or 5 basic core groups, whatever may be the college, that can be chosen. But other than this, then in such a case, more than the priority of the college, the branch priority has to be chosen in some of the examples. Like in REC Warangal, if you try to take, or the NIT Warangal, a student got in metallurgy. And the same student got in the Usmania Engineering College or JNT Engineering College, a computer science or mechanical or the other core group, then definitely we advise that the opting this branch is definitely more advantage to the student than opting for the college priority. That's how they need to judge themselves. Like first of all, core groups always will have more advantage. Like core groups in the sense, mostly the students are opting for the mechanical, civil, electrical, electronics, and computer science. These core groups will be definitely having a longer life. And there also, while opting the group, as the other parent is opting one particular group, every student is trying to move towards that side. That may not be a correct option. Like a student who is very weak in physics, opting for the electrical or electronics is a foolish step, because he has to suffer for the step that he has taken now for the coming 4 more years or throughout his life also. So such type of problem should not happen. The meaning of it is, the student, after the completion of his intermediate, he knows clearly that where he is having the strength and where he is having the weakness. Generally, in our opinion, those students who are very strong with respect to physics can definitely opt for electrical or electronics branches, and those relatively who are stronger in mathematics, they can opt for the computer science. And with the general performance, any student can do extremely well with respect to this mechanical as well as civil. So that's how the student has to make the options with respect to the branches. But of course, priority of branch and the priority of the college, if you try to take, first priority can be given to the college for the core groups. But if the core groups are not there, in such a case, by giving the branch as a priority, the other type of colleges can be opted. A student, even if he feels that he is not getting a seat in the college in which he is expecting, in such a case, definitely his option could be next college, better branch, because in Andhra Pradesh, majority of the colleges are coming under JNTU only. Finally, end of the day, they are going to be given with JNTU degree. In such a case, instead of getting disappointed with respect to the college, my opinion is just simply, if they take the branch and with the challenge, if they work the continuous 4 years, and at the end, and particularly during the final year, if they work hard and if they try to get a better rank in GATE, then definitely the student will have a better future. So think that way, and don't try to get discourage yourself because of the non-opted colleges. So there also you will be having a definitely a bright future. Keeping that in view, with a positive vibration, if the student tries to travel, they will have a good future. After completion of +2 for any student, he is going to get a career option. There, while going for the career option, student as well as parent has to play an equal role. Particularly in majority of the cases in Andhra Pradesh, what's happening is the parents, as they are fascinated towards some of the areas, without thinking about the caliber of the child, they are trying to opt that the child has to opt a particular branch, whether he is capable of doing or not, that they are forgetting. And with that, they are pressurizing the children to travel in that particular path, which may not be a correct aspect. Like while choosing the option, first of all, I think about the possibilities of these 4 core groups or 5 core groups has to be discussed with the child in detail. And in that debate, if the child also participates, then they can understand exactly what is there that they are going to study for the coming 4 years, and what should be the way in which he needs to approach towards the subjects that the student can understand. So if that part, if the parent can play in a proper way, I think branch option will be definitely done in a better, or rather a student will be can have a positive option. So whatever may be that he wants to become, so in that angle he is going to move. Even for the children also, there what they should try to say is, nowadays they are very much assuming that they want to go to the automobile branch or some other branches of that sort. So automobile branch definitely they can take. That may have an option or that may have a future. But the only thing is, if a student opts for end courses, then the problem will arise. Because after the completion of these 4 years, if there is no option for the automobile group, then he may not be in a position to go for the other time of the steps. So there, instead of going for the automobile, if he can opt for the mechanical engineering, then in the 4th year, there is a very possibility that, or after the completion of 4th year, there is a very possibility that in automobile engineering, he can do the PG. That way, if he can opt, that means even after the completion of the engineering, he should have many doors open. That way, if they can plan, definitely the student will have a bright future. In that aspect, parent has to play a very important role in guiding all these things.